That's right. You see the referral link on your page. So if you're last minute about to, I don't know, scrambling trying to file for your taxes, I got a code for you, and you could possibly get up to $300 just for last minute scrambling, I guess. Or at least that's what the website says. So, there you go. There's the link. I'm still trying to get used to this OBS thing, alright? So hang tight with me, guys, alright? But anyways, it's HTTP. I thought there would be an S, but there's not, because S usually means after HTTP that's safety. But it's HTTP colon backslash referrals dot. Hold on, let me look at this real quick. Make sure I'm not giving you the wrong information. Yeah. .hrblock.com backslash 3pgg8g2 http colon backslash referrals.hrblock.com backslash 3pgg8g2. And if you're trying to last minute scramble, let me give you some pointers. All right. If you're doing it through H&R Block, they will file the extension for you. Did it for me, because there are some things that I still have to go through. So luckily, well, if you went through H&R Block in the past, if you haven't, I don't know. Really don't know, because I usually use H&R Block. So this is not a promo for H&R Block. They're not trying to pay me or anything. They're just usually what I use. All right. So because of that, they have all my AGI, they have my PIN, they have all my stuff, right? So it was easy for me to go in there, and there's also a document section I noticed this year that there wasn't before, that you can just upload a bunch of documents. So that's what I did. Crypto documents, you name it, regular documents, because then I went to my regular file and it said crypto, and I tried putting in some of the transactions. It wouldn't let me. So I didn't know what to do. So I just uploaded as many crypto documents as I could, left it as it was, and hit continue. I do have self-employment income. Yes, self-employment income. One is DoorDash. Yes. Surprisingly enough, the guy that tells you how to trade very well also delivers food. All right. No, but in all actuality, it's fun because you get to meet people, and you get to network that way. But also, yeah, I did include some of the self-employment income as well. I included the Forex income, which is actually negative $39. And then I had some insurance income from KuCoin that brought it up to -7. So there was about $30 something in there that, got me closer to zero. But I have a feeling that if we were to go through every single document that I have produced as far as crypto is concerned, they would see that I've lost quite a bit of money. Only because the market went down this year. Now, I'm not a hodler. I'm really not. I'm more of a trade trade futures type person. No more than 5x. just because I think that's the legal threshold. If there is more than 5x, it was probably an accident. And I'm sure there. And then that's another thing about submitting my documents is that I chose to have them reviewed by a tax professional for self-employed. That way, I did not screw anything up. That way, I did not, make sure, uh, you know, that nothing went wrong, right? So I uploaded all the documents I could, right? Somebody else is gonna review them. I I probably should have contacted a local, uh, I don't know, a place maybe, and had them go over documents. But that's okay. But I went through and I did the steps. And here's the thing about whenever you're self-employed or you have part self-employment, because mine was only part, very, very little, because the rest of mine was full-time employment at primarily factory workers, things like that. It does ask you to, pay for the services. Now I clicked pay for it via the my refund. Afterwards, it told me I was ineligible. I was ineligible because I didn't do this or I didn't do that. I was like, all right, whatever, screw it. Credit card time. I'll pay it back after I get my refund. So that is a thing. And then while it's doing that, like I said, it go ahead and files an extension for you. So therefore, you have more time to go back and look at your documents, make sure you got them all in place, make sure you've. And I probably need to do that, to be honest, because I could probably get more of a return. Because if I'm not mistaken, if I was to go to like CoinTracker, it would show that I lost a massive amount of money this year. Let me see here. Yeah. Harvestable tax losses. $1,531.11. You could save up to $612.44 in taxes. Well, here's the thing. With CoinTracker, that might be worth it. Because I want to say it's about $300 just for the service alone. So if you're going to pay $300 and get $300, that's kind of like canceling itself out, isn't it? But then again, you are, filing taxes the correct way. So, trying to think what else, any kind of important information I need to tell you. If you are going to go to CoinTracker, I will leave a description in below for a referral link. You will get $30 off if you decide to purchase one of the plans. I'm only gonna get it at 10. I'm not gonna get. This is just, this is standard. So what I will do go back to OBS here, and I'm gonna monologue and add. And actually, I don't even know where the text option is. Color source, maybe? No. Cancel. Anyways, I will have the link down in the description. Because I did not use as many crypto sites as I did last year. Last year I was all over the place with crypto sites. This year I kind of kept to a certain few, narrowed it down. use Nexo, uploaded all the Nexo transaction, used KuCoin, used all the KuCoin transaction. If you have Cash App and you bought Bitcoin through Cash App, yes, upload that. If you, you know what, I forgot to upload SoFi. At least I admitted it on air, and I'll have to go back and fix it. SoFi is one of the things I did not add. SoFi, I think what else here. Usually I just pull up my wallet and I can tell you which ones are which, but I did not have a lot of earnings in the referrals this year. Did not earn any 1099 miscellaneous or anything like that. If you don't know what that is, 1099 miscellaneous, that is generally when you have earnings from a company that doesn't come directly from what the company offers. So let's say you're a DoorDasher, right? And you make $650 or something like that. You're going to get a what's called a 1099. I don't know if it's a miscellaneous or 1099 something. I am not here to give tax advice. I am not a tax professional. I'm just giving you the kind of differences of what they are. Now, let's say you went out there and you promoted the crap out of DoorDash, right? Or you're in a big city and you promote crap out of Lyft or Uber or something like that, and you get $10 worth of free rides over and over, and it ends up over $600 worth earnings. Well, that's when you're gonna get 1099 miscellaneous. Sorry, I can't talk straight today. But yeah, regular 1099s will just become from that company's actual services, basically. And that's only if you're an independent contractor, right? So that would be things like, deliveries, ride share, things like that. Your W-2 will take care of the rest of that. Now, if you're using H&R Block, the good thing about that is automatically populates. I don't know about the rest of them. I haven't tried the rest of them. I've only used H&R Block for the past 6 years now. So probably more than that. But it's been awesome. Been good to me. There's a couple things, and I think about it, I forgot to add in. Stash was one of them. Oops. I'm gonna write these down as I'm thinking of them. Stash. What was the other one I said? Hello. SoFi. I put in Robinhood. Now, I put in Forex. Now, Forex is part of my self-employment income. Again, lost $39. I started off with a $100 account. Split it into 2 different accounts. One was for MT4, one was for Tradingview. Now, if you have an IRA, such as I have 2. That reminds me, I forgot to put the second one in. So my first one is Choice IRA, right? That one is a mixture of crypto and stocks, ETFs, things like that. Now, Alto IRA. Now that one is 100% crypto. That's the one I forgot to put in. Other things I'm not for sure. Now there's interest earnings, and it didn't really ask me about all those. It asked me more about dividend earnings rather than interest or anything like that. Now there's a new app called Yotta, YOTTA, that I got involved with this year. It's more like playing the lottery. I only made like $6-7 off of it, but I don't know if I should be claiming that. I'm sure I should. Yeah, you got to claim all yours. And also, I should probably be the one expense that I did claim was my Tradingview account, right? My Tradingview account, that was $179 and something. However, I should probably include my website because that costs some money. Uh, Rumble, I was paying about $10 a month to live feed, or to go live if I wanted to, even though I rarely did. I need to look more into Cake DeFi. Okay. There's not much there. There's like $50. Again, I'm the type of person that I like to splash my seeds all over the place and see what happens to them. It's Cash App 1099. I think. Oh, I made $10.99 in Bitcoin during the Cash App. And I'm not for sure why I put that in there. Investor. That is another one I need to look at. And now, Investor is connected with Tornado. I don't know if you know that or not. I don't know if you know what Tornado is. But they are both connected with, or their parent company, I should say, is the same one as, sorry, not Tornado, Public, and Webull. See if I can find it. Anyways, if you use Webull, it's one of those. And one of my buddies is telling me that you could get a funded account through them. I'm like, I don't know about all that, but we'll see. All right. Looks like I got a 95 seat. All right, here we go. Do Nexo coin. What else? Oh, Mexi. You know what? I did not turn anything in for Mexi, and I am an affiliate for Mexi. But I don't think I earned anything. Hostinger I paid into. I need to write that down. I also bought multiple domains this year. Gemini, Donut. I turned in Donut. For any of you who actually did end up getting into Donut, I'm sorry. That sucks because I only got $5 back out of $100 I invested. Street Beat. I put Street Beat in. Wait, sure. Don't think I have anything in that. What else did I do this year? I don't know about Being X, but I need to look that up. Being X, Beamex, PHEMEX. See, these are all the things that are coming to me now. Now that I'm talking about them. Got an auto receipt for my IRA. I'm trust. Anyways, I think you all get the point. All right, go through, see what you have not put into your earnings. Even if technically you're supposed to claim all earnings. Now this is coming from somebody who used to work for Lyft, right? And at Lyft, we would always have people come in and be like, "I didn't get a 1099. What am I supposed to do?" And our legal answer was, "You're supposed to report our earnings." So that is my legal answer, and I'm not giving any kind of tax advice whatsoever. However, I will be reporting as much earnings as possible, but I don't think it's going to be that much. I think, if anything, I'll probably be under this year, considering what CoinTracker has told me already. The only thing that CoinTracker may not have caught would have been my L bank, but I'm not for sure. But my L bank was a little bit more than 600, or more than 500. So it may have evened out. So who knows? We'll find out, I guess. And we'll see if I'm gonna get sued, or if I'm gonna get there's gonna be tons of IRS agents coming around you with guns drawn, all that kind of stupid crap that was supposed to happen this year. But yeah, file your taxes, people. Even though you may hate it, you may think it's theft. I think it's theft. Especially when you see it come out of your paycheck. That's just ridiculous. But it comes out of your paycheck for a reason, because you get back at the end of the year. And that being said, Jack and the Beanstalk don't fall far from the tree. Fee, fi, fo, fum. Your taxes, poop.